I'm in downtown Oak Park, one of the most pedestrian-friendly, transit-friendly, fun neighborhoods in all of Chicagoland, headed for a tour of one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished apartments at Vantage Oak Park. I'm in the foyer of Unit 506. And there's a louvered door off to my left with a full-size stackable washer-dryer and additional storage space behind it. You enter immediately into a great room open setup with dining area, living area, high ceilings, and a very functional and efficient kitchen. Got stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas range, a large undermount farm-style sink, glass tile backsplash, dishwasher, of course, and a microwave. There's light stained plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. And since you're in a Sweet Home Chicago unit, you're greeted by several goodie bags and a raft of kitchen appliances and knives, tableware, glasses, cups, pretty much everything you're going to need to feel right at home. Need or want. Living area has a floor-to-ceiling window that's looking out toward the Lake Street Theater and the Lake Street strip of bars, restaurants, and shops, locally owned one-of-a-kind shops. And then off to the right, you're looking at a tranquil park across the street. And if you're looking a little further north, you'd see the Frank Lloyd Wright Historic District. Facing west here, so you're going to have great afternoon light. A spacious, open feeling here. Heading back toward the bedroom area, there's an oversized bath. Tub surround goes up to the ceiling, the tile. It's got a very large vanity with great counter space and 2 banks of drawers for storage. Bedroom is generously sized, has great floor-to-ceiling windows, outfitted with a king-size bed, second flat-screen TV, a chest of drawers, and twin nightstands flanking the bed. There's a good-sized closet in the bedroom. Got a very attractive apartment here in what I consider to be one of the most fun, attractive, lively, vibrant, pedestrian-friendly, transit-oriented neighborhoods in all of Chicagoland. It's a great environment.